Hello everybody, my name is Sam, I'm the Ecstatic Engineer, and today I'm going to talk to you about this is kind of uncomfortable, the HDMI port. So, what is the HDMI port? Well, this is a common port you'll find on a lot of modern equipment. If you have played any modern consoles like the Switch, the Xbox One, or the PlayStation 4, you'll probably have seen and probably know what an HDMI port is. So what is it? Well, it is it's an audio video cable that transfers high definition information. In fact, it is called, or what HDMI stands for is High Definition Multimedia Interface. And that's the main part about it. It transfers audio and video data in an HD format to HD TVs and other HD sources. Now you have multiple kinds of so you have sorry, I was just kind of looking over at my monitor with information on it. So there are three main forms of HDMI you will find in play, or the most common ones you'll have to deal with. So there's going to be right here is going to be standard. This is the normal size. It's what most consoles have. That's what the Xbox One has, what the PlayStation 4 has, which most desktop computers have, which the Switch has on the mount charging bay, whatever it's called. I don't use it much. I prefer the handheld Switch. Call me old-fashioned, but yeah. The next kind is mini. It's gonna be right here in front of my face. Actually, it's going to be right over here. I'm not going to block my face yet. And you'll find this on smaller devices. I have a NVIDIA Shield. That is a gaming tablet, and that has a mini HDMI port. And finally, you have the micro right in front of my face, so it will be gone now. Some people might think that's a good thing. But the micro HDMI port is a smaller one. I don't have any examples of what this can be used for because I don't use it very much. Most of my devices are phone size at the smallest, and I've only ever used iPhone. So I've not seen the micro HDMI port myself. But what essentially it does is the same thing as the standard and the mini. It transfers HD audio and video, and it's just a smaller port or jack. And then of course the adapters are just, or the ports are just that same shape, just tiny bit bigger and a female, obviously. Port jack goes in the hole. And I know I just made an innuendo. I kind of like those. They're fun. Yeah, so those are the three main forms of HDMI. So that's going to do it for this episode, guys. So if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, there's a button right down here. If you press that, it'll help me out. And then next to that is the bell icon. If you want you to smash that, gives me it will let you know when I've uploaded a new video. And below both of those is the like and dislike button. I want you to press one of those, preferably the like button. Helps me out, lets me know I'm doing a good job. Now, if you press the dislike button or you press the like button, either way, leave a comment below telling me exactly what I did wrong or right. It really clarifies things. Not clarify. Clarify isn't a thing. I don't think it is, at least. Just checking out my haircut. Pretty, I just got it like a day ago. Looks awesome. Yeah, besides the point, after all that, I want you to hit the share button to get my name out into the interwebs, out into the YouTubes, and until next time, I'll see you guys then. Goodbye.